guys, here's an update on my 1993 Honda Nighthawk 750 project. You can watch my other video to learn the story behind this high mileage bike, but here's how it went. As soon as I got it off the trailer, that taped X on the headlights had to go. I then removed the wrap from the headers and polished them with Autozol. Next, I removed the Plasti-Dip from the wheels using Goo Gone, Patience, and tons of elbow grease. To my surprise, the wheels were mint under all that crap. The more I looked into it, the more I realized the maintenance was not quite up to date. I replaced the air filter, the spark plugs, including rethreading one, drained the crankcase breather, I changed the oil and filter, replaced the petcock, had the forks rebuilt and added gaiters and vinyl wrapped the chrome portion in black. I then replaced the chain and sprockets, got Anarchy wheel tires, redid the seat. It had already been lowered and I'm 6'1", so I built it back up to stock height. I then added bar risers so the handlebars would clear the tank when in full lock. I replaced the rubbers on the foot pegs and repainted the metal parts, and then the pièce de résistance was repainting the bike. There was 2 dents on the tank, one that was pretty bad and it had already been repainted, though some areas were already peeling. So I sanded it down to bare metal and pulled out the dents as much as I could and finished off with some body filler and self-etching primer. When it comes to bikes, I love every color as long as it's black. So I bought some satin black paint that was on sale and finished off with 3 or 4 layers of urethane clear coat. Then I wet sanded everything and gave it a compound to get that mirror finish. Considering it was my first complete paint job, I think it came out pretty nice. To give it an extra 10 HP, I added matte black racing stripes. Now the bike was finally ready. I put maybe 500 kilometers on it and the clutch cable broke about an hour away from home. I managed to ride it back without the clutch, but let's just say you avoid the city traffic. So now it also has a new clutch cable. So here it is in all its glory. I paid the bike about $1,300. I probably spent $1,200 on the maintenance and another $250 on paint and material. Is the bike worth that? Probably not, but I have to say I'm quite pleased with the results, and it's one of the very few inline-4 engines I can enjoy without going 3 times the speed limit. Let me know in the comments what you think. I still have my 2019 Africa Twin, which is the longest I've kept any bike. I'm currently considering a few options to replace it, from the Ducati Multistrada V2S to the Honda NT 1100, 1250 GSA, and even the new Goldwing. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.